I'd say let's get a cold start, but it's like 100 degrees outside. So I guess let's just get a dang hot start. In today's video, I just suppose I'm probably just going to do some car upkeep. Probably take off those the window visor things that I was telling you all about yesterday, and the trunk spoiler there, since that thing's coming off. And then alongside that, probably just do a little bit of an engine bay detail. Nothing super crazy. I probably won't spray it down or anything. I'll probably just use some waterless wash stuff that I have. Some of this stuff right here. This waterless car wash stuff right here, I've used it a couple times just to kind of spread around here on different parts of the engine bay and then wipe it off with a microfiber, and it's worked pretty good. I mean, it's nothing super crazy. It's not like a super professional cleaning or anything, but it does all right. You'll see. And then yesterday, this is kind of what I was trying to showcase here. Listen to this. Ready? Actually, you can kind of see it there. It's coming off like quite a bit, and same thing on this side. So I don't know, I was pulling on it a little bit, but I really don't want to mess up the paint under it, so I'm not quite sure how I'm going to handle that. I'm going to see if I have some Goo Gone stuff to kind of get up under there to work with it. Probably grab some fishing line or something. Oh, that sounds nasty. That's not cool. Sick. There's one. This thing was coming off, so I had to get that off. That's not gonna be fun to take the 3M tape off of here. Now I got all this gunk. Let me make sure. Okay, there we go. Yeah, now I got all this gunk that's all up on the side of the damn window. That's sick. So I'm gonna have to kind of fight with that to get that off and clean it up, make it look good. Yeah, and then check this out too. This is like a foam piece that's supposed to chill behind these things. It completely, yeah, there we go. It completely wore away. Like it's missing a chunk of the foam, and then this thing's just gonna probably peel right off. That is, man, I guess that's the fun of buying aftermarket parts, right? Sick. Now I just got to get this one and the two other ones on the other side. All right. All right, there's that. I got all them suckers off. Now I just got all this dang crusty crap I gotta clean up. That's not very fun. This one obviously broke right in half on me, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, now I got all that junk to clean up. And all those suckers are now off. Okay, to get the back, the duck bill off, miscellaneous fishing shit. I used to fish a lot. I love fishing. I got a bunch of different fishing line in here. I'm thinking I find a, you know, proper gauge line to fit up under there, and I use some Goo Gone and some WD-40. Soak it with that crap, and then try to get some line up under there and saw it out or whatever. That's weird, bro. Saw it out. See if I can get it off. Okay, so I soaked it down. You can probably see all the WD-40 in there. It's kind of working. I was pulling on this side a little bit and it came up a little more. I heard the paint, or not the paint, hopefully not the paint. I heard the tape lift. So now I'm just gonna grab some this fishing line. After using the fishing line, getting it up under there and trying to saw it off, hopefully that'll take it right off and not ruin anything. So I did get off the freaking trunk spoiler thing that I was talking about. Just friggin', you know, spread it, got WD-40 all up under there. I didn't even use the Goo Gone, and used some of that fishing line and just kind of put it in between here and took it off. Overall, it looks like, you know, I still have to wash the car, but overall it looks like there's not too much damage. However, the two things that I was scared about that I was trying to tell y'all, it wasn't attached to the car right here. It was free moving. So driving around and stuff and it shaking and rattling wore some paint away. And right there we got some bare metal. That's not fun. The good thing is I do have, oh yeah, see, we got some right here too. And then a little bit of bare metal right there. It looks like that's kind of all it did though. I just gotta wash the car and carry on from there. But the good thing is I do have a paint pen. Probably take that and just touch up some of those spots on the trunk and just make it looking better so that it's not bare metal, because I don't want that stuff rusting anytime soon. That would not be fun. Yeah, I'm in flip-flops. I'm not showing y'all my feet, don't worry. I got that sucker off. I got those suckers off. I tried to take off as much of the 3M stuff as I could. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and wash up the car. I went ahead and I hit it up with a paint pen. I mean, it looks a little rough, but I mean, the bare metal's covered with paint now. The bare metal is covered with paint now. This side looks a little more rough than the other one, but again, the bare metal's covered with paint now, which is important because, you know, we don't want that rusting. So it might look a little bit rough, but at least it's covered by paint and it won't rust now. And I mean, my car is not really a show car. I use the damn thing, so. All right, there's the engine bay now. Definitely looks a lot better. Hopefully the camera can pick up the difference and all that, but it definitely looks a lot better. The intercooler still kind of looks like shit.
haters been calling, my enemies stalling, my people been balling, my team we been wildin'. Can't hit 100, we use basic tools. Strategies moving where we gotta move. There wasn't no option, no time on the clock, and no setting it back, and we gotta get profit. I'm standing on top of the glory, the road. We was just rebels and do what was told. When they asked me how we leveled up without us getting stuck, we just muscled up. This game spin, no one gotta tighten up, gotta muscle up, or you will get stuck in this game. I'm ballin' on top of that mountain, I'm on and I'm calling my mama to tell her I'm good. I'm surrounded by family like back in the hood. I was falling from grace, I was misunderstood. Hey, the pressure will sit you right down, but I stood up, I mean what I say and I say what I mean. On the balcony screaming, they just let me be.